most people buy a protective case the moment they get a new phone because they know that even the slightest drop or fall can completely destroy it. After all, the phone is a very fragile device. At an average cost of over $600, it's certainly not something you can afford to keep paying good money to fix or replace. And knowing how critical a role it plays in your life, like most people, you make sure your phone is safe and protected immediately from the moment you buy it. Right? Especially considering a protective case costs but a tiny fraction of the value of the phone. Now, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're running a business, then you have another asset in your life that is much more important to you than your phone. In fact, it's an asset that gives you the money to buy your phone with. What is that asset? It's your brand. While you can't drop and crack your business like your phone, you can certainly have someone copy or steal your name, logo, or slogan. They can even trademark it and then sue you for using it when it was originally your idea. So if you've been running your business under a brand that you haven't yet trademarked, let me ask you a question. If you protect your phone the moment you buy it, why would you choose to leave your brand and your business unprotected? Just like that phone case, getting a trademark is a one-time, relatively small investment compared to the value of the asset you are trying to protect. Except when it comes to your brand, it only has value if you truly own it. And the only way to legally own your brand is to trademark it before somebody else does. If you're serious about your business, if you want to legally own and protect your brand, check out Trademark Factory, the only company in the world that offers trademark services with a guaranteed result for a guaranteed budget. It means you either get your brand trademarked or you get all your money back. Simply click below and get your trademark done right today. Trademark Factory.